All right, back out here with the Vigilante, and I did have a diff problem. If you've seen my first run video, I did get a clicking sound from the rear diff, so I actually sheared off 4 teeth in the rear diff on the ring gear and replaced them with some Vitavon pieces. So we'll test this thing out, see if it's any better, but yeah, hopefully get a little more run time today. See, there's some puddles, definitely want to avoid those. I will say the suspension on this thing's pretty stiff. So seems like made for some jumps and stuff. Woo! They don't want to move to the water there. Cool thing about this is you definitely get some different lines and places you can kind of go. Things I would not normally do with a different car. Entertaining for sure. It's got a little bit of grace to it. That's full rip there. So we are running 8S, of course. 2 4S Gens Ace gridline batteries. Okay, short that jump a bit. This thing is such a beast. Oh man. Ooh. Okay, brakes maybe a bit sensitive. Why not? Just a monster. Is it a race truck? No, but carries so much momentum. But oh shoot. Trying to avoid the water and myself. Wow. Drives well. It is set up quite stiff. But it is rewarding to just like clear these jumps nicely. You do need to turn down the brakes though. Flies pretty neutrally though. When you let the suspension work, pretty awesome. Ended on its feet. Does land nicely from those big jumps. Not 100% straight, but no idea how. Oh, is there water down there? I cannot backflip. I think we need to stiffen up the center diff if we want to backflip it, but such a crazy track. Well, Vigilante. Stickers coming up there. Wow. I'm impressed. I am impressed. I didn't crash it bad today, so I don't know if it could break on any serious crashes, and I couldn't get to backflip, so I'll need to thicken the diff lid, maybe gear it up, but this thing is a monster. Sometimes you just gotta bring out the big boys, and this is a big boy. Held up great, handles well. Suspension is set up for big air, so yeah, if you like jumping stuff out of the box, this does jump well and land well. So I'm quite impressed so far. You know, I did have to spend 110 bucks on the Vitavon front and rear diffs. I would say that's probably a must. It's not too bad to actually install them. You gotta remove the front or the bottom skid plate, the rear bumper, and then there's like 3 bolts holding on the hinge pins. Pull out the hinge pins, then you get out the diff, and then you can get the input gear behind it without having to disassemble anything else. Just grab the input gears with some needles, pliers, and they'll just pull right out. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, I didn't use any shims either, so rear definitely did not need a shim. Front, maybe I could have shimmed it a little bit tighter, but it was pretty close even with no shim. So oh yeah, Redcat Vigilante. Awesome truck, especially when it was on sale. It was like 130 bucks off or something like that. It was a great deal. But even at 870, you throw in the 110 bucks of Vitavon gears and shipping, and what are you at, 960? It's solid for that price. You know, it's solid considering the max is also like 1100, I think, right now. 12, I can't remember. I think they're at 1100 right now. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.